This video reports on the fact that there's a product out there in June 2026 and maybe many months and years to come called NervEase. It is a supplement product, and you can see here I found this page from an ad. It says the Nobel Prize, but it's not the Nobel Prize website. And it says 3 in 10 Americans over 50 have an inflammatory enzyme silently destroying their nerve coating. Most don't even know until it's too late. So first off, hit the like button down below. I know it's early in the video, but liking this video can help this video get out there to people who need to see it before they fall for this scam for NervEase. If you're looking for NervEase supplements complaints, NervEase supplements reviews, I'm going to cover everything that I know about this. What I know basically is that this has scam marketing, which tells me stay away from it, go see a doctor. And so the video that I found here, you can see it looks like it says the Nobel Prize, like I already said, and it has Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, who has nothing to do with this. No doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed NervEase capsules or supplements or gummies or anything like that. What this looks like, it's just a new name for a product that has been existing under other names for many months and years in the past. NervEase. They came up with the name Ease, so it's been Nerve something else maybe in the past, and now it's NervEase. And so we're gonna watch part of this video here. It's gonna have, looks like Dr. Ben Carson, Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, and other people. Again, no one famous, no one credible has anything to do with this product. Go and see a doctor if you're worried about your nerve pain, neuropathy, weight loss, diabetes, Alzheimer's, dementia, all the different ailments that scammers target to try to get your money. Go see a doctor 100%.
I'm talking about finally putting an end to the tingling, the burning, and the pain of walking on broken glass, once and for all. I know exactly what you're going through right now. I know the terror of waking up at 3 a.m., feeling like your feet are being roasted over an invisible fire.
Let me just say this. Dr. Ohsumi never said any of these words. This is deep fake AI technology, meaning that he was interviewed, like you can see here in the video that's playing. But he didn't say these words. Scammers manipulated his lip movement, his audio to make it seem like he did say these words, and he never did. Again, no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people ever endorsed NervEase. And if you're looking for reviews for NervEase supplements, the review is don't buy this and go see a doctor.
Or the sudden electric shocks that shoot up your legs like lightning, taking your breath away. I know the humiliation of stumbling in public because you just can't feel the ground under your shoes anymore. That dead feeling that makes you think, is amputation the next step? But listen to me carefully. It doesn't matter if your nerve damage is diabetic, caused by chemo, or if your doctor just shrugged it off and called it idiopathic because they have no clue how to fix it. These 2 ingredients are the missing piece. When combined in the exact ratio I'm about to show you.
So, the recipe promise. This is something scams have all the time these days. It's a recipe promise claiming, hey, we're going to show you all the ingredients by the end of this video. They never reveal to you a recipe. It is a hook. It is a strategy. It is a lie to get you to watch these entire videos on these websites. And by the end of the video, it's always a bottle of supplements, maybe a dropper bottle, maybe gummies. It's never a recipe. And that's all I really need to show you of that video. There is no Japanese cocktail. They're going to claim that there is. They're going to show Dr. Ben Carson. They might show other celebrities, whatever. This does not have legitimacy in the way of being a miracle product. I see scams like this all of the time. And Dr. Ohsumi truly did win a Nobel Prize, but it had nothing to do with any of this stuff. Not at all. So after that video, it'll take you to a MyCartPanda website and claim that NervEase Advanced Nerve Support has a 4.9 out of 5 rating. That is not true. Money back guarantees with these products sometimes are not honored. They might come with a subscription that's hidden, monthly recurring charges, and a whole lot of other stuff that just doesn't make a whole lot of sense. One thing you can do if you believe you've been defrauded is to file a complaint with the IC3.gov website, the Internet Crime Complaint Center. It's just IC3.gov, and the 3 is a numeral 3. And on there, provide all information you can. Look at your bank or credit card statement if you did make a purchase. Find the company name, the phone number, the mailing address, everything you can. Include that in your report. Every detail counts. So I hope that you received a little bit of help from my video here. It was short, but I want you to know that these products out there claiming they can perform miracles and that they have backing from big doctors and professionals, it's not the case. It's a lie. Like, comment, subscribe. The join button is down below. And thank you so much for watching.